I've collected quite a few points, but don't quite have enough for my next stay. Any advice?
Yes, I got some advice, because you can use nearly any combination of points and money for your upcoming stay.
This is Hilton Honors How To, where we answer every question you have about Hilton Honors. Today, we're talking about how you can book your next stay using points and money. That's great to hear. So, I've got the Hilton Honors app open and I'm logged into my account. What now?
Let's do this. First, choose the dates and location for your next stay. Check the Search with Points box and tap See Results.
Oh, look at all those options.
I know, it's exciting stuff. You'll see the cost and points per night listed below each option. And then, after you found that hotel that just calls your name, that you just resonate with, tap on it and select See Available Rooms.
Yep, and now I get to choose my room.
Truth. And then after you've selected which room you want, one king bed for this guy.
I'm a king girl myself.
Ooh, okay. You'll tap the rates button for that one and see a list of options.
Got it. Okay.
Awesome. Now, look for an option with pay with points and money. After selecting one of those, you'll find yourself on the payment page. From there, tap Pay with Points and Money, and then, and then my favorite part comes up, the slider.
Oh, there's a slider. This is exciting.
From here, you'll be able to decide how many points you want to use on your upcoming stay, and the rest will be charged to your credit card. And just like that, you can save some moolah on your next trip using a combination of points and money. Come on.
Pretty dang cool.
It is the coolest.
Coolest.
Make sure you come back for more Hilton Honors tips. You know, that's
about that slider.
I was just about to say that. It's
Get
so
outta here.
satisfying. Click on that video to learn how to get your 5th night free using your Hilton Honors points. And make sure to subscribe to Hilton's YouTube channel for more tips.